presenting before you the work of two civil servants. If you include these in your GS Paper 4 answers, your answers are sure to stand apart from the crowd. Waste to wealth is a concept we hear in policy documents, podcasts, in books. Very seldom we are inspired enough to change this thought into action. These civil servants have exactly done this. Their innovative mindset, problem-solving attitude has ensured that they've left a big mark in the districts that they are posted in. The first example is Swapnil Paul, posted in the Tinsukia district of Assam. The district was suffering from a major problem of landfill, waste accumulation, and land being occupied due to this heap of waste that was created. 1.5 lakh metric tons of waste was being accumulated. He started a cleanup drive in 2023. He segregated the waste, used biomining facilities. The recyclable waste was also composted, and the non-recyclable flammable waste was sent to cement production plants to be used as refuse-derived fuel, RDF, that can reduce the amount of coal required in cement manufacturing plants, putting that waste into use. Resultant being, Tinsukia became the first legacy waste-free district in the Northeast, and he was also awarded the Prime Minister's Award of Excellence in Public Services. The second example is of Akshat Verma, posted in Varanasi in UP. He saw that many devotees discard their clothes or the clothing that they get a lot of offerings in on the river ghats, and this leads to a lot of choking of rivers and pollution. He tied up with an NGO and made sure that this clothing is then sent back, and almost 50 and 100 women have recycled and restitched these clothes into clothing reusable bags, making sure that this waste is converted into an opportunity for livelihoods. These are beautiful, innovative examples. Make sure that you use these in your answers and gain that extra 1 or 2 marks.